viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with Mantle platform. Yes, where you can easily stake your Ethereum. Also, you can bridge your coin. So how can you connect? This is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here I have make many videos about Coinbase Wallet. Simple, go to my YouTube channel and visit the video portion. And in last video we have discussed about Rabi Wallet. In last video we have discussed how we can create an account in Rabi Wallet. But today we are going to again make the video about Coinbase Wallet because some subscribers sent to me message that they want to connect their wallet with Mantle platform, so that I'm going to make the video for that person. Okay, so you can see here the YouTube channel is open in front of me, and right top corner Coinbase wallet is installed already. I just simple open and going to enter my password here. Let's suppose you have a Ethereum in your wallet and you want to stake and get the passive earning or extra amount, so you can use this platform. But I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you if you want to get the more profit from the cryptocurrency. Okay, you can see here I have opened my account. The account by default account is open in front of me. I have any not any balance in my wallet, but I need to give you information about how to connect. So you can connect your wallet, and after that you can stake. So in this video I'm giving to complete information. Okay, now my wallet is open in front of me, and now going to open CoinGecko. Yes, coingecko.com is the official website. Simple is that. You can see here crypto pairs chart and crypto markets. All information you will get from this website. Simple open, and then you can see here the Bitcoin price is $42,644 and Ethereum price is $2,500 and XRP 50 on 57 cent. So if we need to check the Mantle platform ranking top 100 cryptocurrencies, so going to check Mantle. Yes, you can see here on 43 number MNT. The available here. I'm going to open is get the more information. You can see here BitDAO has migrated to Mantle MNT. 1 is equal to 1 on the ratio 17 July 2020. So you can see here the Mantle platform name is before BitDAO. Okay, but today the name is Mantle. If you have BitDAO, so you can convert your coin to on Mantle. Okay, now you can see here the price chart is available here. If I'm going to click on maximum, so here you can see here the all-time high chart is available here. The all-time price last 2-3 days ago almost 79 cent and 15% down from the all-time high. And if you need to trade this coin, so you can use these exchanges like Bybit, XT, MEXC and Uniswap version 3. So I'm going to open this website, official website. The right type you can see here mantle.xyz. This is the official website. Simple open, and after that the main website is open in front of you. Mass adoption of token governed technologies with Mantle Network on Ethereum rollup, Mantle treasury, and a token holder governed roadmap for the product and the interactivities. Now the bridge to Mantle, explore ecosystem, view documents, now live, and we build $MNT powered product on Ethereum. Mantle Network build a dApp with the exceptional UX. Many information available on this website. Simple, open and get the all information from this website. Okay, you see here the symbols name is Mantle Ethereum USDC, and big token is available here. And also you can see here education DAO, get to know $MNT. Big information available here. So I just need to discuss about two option or two tools. First, staking, and second, bridging. So if you need to stake your coin, simple, go to the Ethereum, and second option is stake. And now you can see here the website is open in front of me, where you can easily connect your wallet. The stake option is available here, and I have not any balance, but I am going to connect my wallet. Simple click on connect the option, and the last option is available, injected Coinbase wallet. My wallet is open in front of me. Yes, you can see here. Simple, you connect a wallet, and after that you just get enter the amount. Let's suppose you want to stake 1 Ethereum, so we'll receive Ethereum on your wallet, and the status is active, APY, TVL, and also Ethereum supply. Okay, and if you need to bridging, so you simple use network option, and the first option is bridge, and you can use same scenario. First you need to connect your wallet, after that enter the amount. Let's suppose you have a 1 Ethereum or 2 Ethereum in your wallet, but I have not any balance in my wallet, so that's shown the insufficient balance. And simple place connect your wallet, and you can easily bridge your coin to this platform. Okay, so well, I hope properly understand how can you connect your wallet with Mantle platform, and you can easily stake your coin, and you can easily earn passive income. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.